In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the AirDrop on our iPhone. So all we need is just to go to Control Center by swiping to the bottom from the right upside, and then click and hold on the widget with the Wi-Fi, airplane mode and mobile data. And here we can see the AirDrop settings. So now we can see that receiving is turned to off, so all we need is just to click on it, and now we can see different options. So if you want to receive, all you need is just to click on everyone. But what if we want to send something? So all we need is just to go to settings, then go to photos, select the necessary materials, and then click on the share button. So now I would like to send it to my MacBook, so I should be sure that I turned on the AirDrop on my MacBook. So just click on this icon, and then everything is done. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and write your comment. Goodbye.